Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Gemini and signing in. Once authenticated, grant the app access to your photos so it can read and analyze images. Tap the Photos tool and pick the first images you want to connect. Choose 2.5 to keep processing fast. Make sure to select representative shots that show common elements you'll link later. Once done, tap Next to move into the linking workflow where Gemini identifies faces, locations, and objects to propose connections. You now review Gemini's suggested links. It proposes connections based on faces, places, timestamps, and visual similarity. Accept suggestions that match your intent and edit others by tapping an image pair to change the relationship. You can also drag an image onto another to force a connection or tag a shared element like a person or landmark to anchor the chain. Use filters for date and location to reduce false positives, and keep an eye on confidence scores to decide when to finish by saving your linked album or exporting the connection map so others can view it. This persists tags and manual edits. If you find incorrect links, first rerun the analysis to refresh models, then manually unlink and retag the problematic photos to teach Gemini your intent. Make sure permissions and storage space are adequate, and update the Gemini app if features are missing. If things still break, restart the app and retry the linking flow. That often clears transient errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.